it was actually a challenge that we have to really overcome together. Kasi may mga games talaga na parang you're not there eh. But you have to be there and present and fight anyway, di ba? So I keep telling my teammates to just take this as a challenge, keep the mental toughness, yung fight dapat nandun, and at the same time, kailangan hindi talaga kami mawala ng tiwala sa sarili namin, sa isa't isa. Kasi kung tutusin, hindi naging maganda talaga yung performance namin. We're not really actually satisfied with how we played today, but still, at the end of the day, we're grateful na na-overcome namin yung challenge na yun. And we are humbled by this kind of game.